welcome to this room tour. Today we are bringing you a room from the Hampton Inn in West Des Moines. This hotel has a pool and a hot tub. It comes with your typical Hilton brand continental breakfasts, you know, a waffle maker, eggs, a meat, some cereal, oatmeal, juices, coffee, etc., etc., etc. I had a king bed room. The bed was very comfortable. The room is very clean. I would recommend staying here if you're planning on staying in the West Des Moines, Jordon Creek area. If you made it this far, I would like to thank you for watching. And if you haven't, let's hit that subscribe button and we will see you in the next one.